Hello, good morning students. So again welcome on my YouTube channel Math Mentor. So today I am going to finish this exercise 8.1 of the topic binomial distribution. In previous video lecture we completed first 8 examples of the same topic binomial distribution. So we are taking right now the 9, 10, 11 and 12th example of the same exercise 8.1. So let us see the example number 9. In a box of floppy disk. Floppy disk is the previous version of CD and DVD. CD or DVD का पहला version था floppy disk. It is a storage of data. In a box of floppy disk, it is known that 95% will work. So working floppy disk का probability given, that is 95%. So a sample of 3 of the disk. Sample of 3 means n is equal to 3, p is equal to 95%. Is selected at random. Find the probability that none will work, 1 will work, 2 will work and all 3 will work. So this is our question. So this is very important example for 4 marks because 4 examples are given in the example number 9. So let us see the regular procedure of solution of example number 9. So first of all we have to define x. X is number of working floppy disk. ये पेन ड्राइव, सीडी, डीवीडी आर द स्टोरेज. ये इसमें हम डाटा स्टोर करते हैं. उसके पहले कंप्यूटर के इनिशियल टाइम में फ्लॉपी डिस्क था. इट इज स्टोरेज ऑफ डाटा. यू कैन स्टोर द डाटा इन द फ्लॉपी डिस्क. नंबर ऑफ वर्किंग फ्लॉपी डिस्क. X, after that X write P. Probability of working floppy disk. Now given P is 95%. So P is equal to 95 by 100. Excuse me. 90 by 100. So P is equal to sorry 5 से डिवाइड करो. 19 by 20 आएगा. So this is the value of P. Simultaneously find out Q. Q is equal to 1 minus P. 1 minus 19 by 20. So it's a 1 by 20. This is the value of Q. P and Q are the important data of the solutions. Now n is equal to given, that is 3. A sample of 3 of the disk is selected. So sample कितने का है? 3 का है. So it is equal to 3. Now write x follows binomial distribution with the 2 parameters n comma p. X follows binomial distribution. The value of n is 3. And the value of P is 19 by 20. Then probability mass function of random variable x is probability of x is equal to x. Write the formula ncx into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. This is the formula. Now here we have to write probability of x is equal to x. N is 3. 3cx 19 by 20 raised to x into 1 by 20 raised to 3 minus x. Here is 3. P is 19 by 20. Q is 1 by 20. Where for x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the x. All 3 will be working, 2 will be working, 1 will be working, but 0 will be working. सबका none means x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. All will be working. सबकी probability find करनी है हमें. So write the first example. We have to find probability x is equal to 0, 3c 0, 19 by 20 raised to 0. 1 by 20 raised to 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. So this is the answer. 1 into 1 by 20 raised to 3. So final answer 1 by 20 raised to 3. So this is the probability when none is working. None is working. One working, एक working है. 3C1. Our x is equal to 0 means none floppy disk is working. So उसकी probability हो गई 1 by 20 raised to 3. Now we have to find if one floppy disk will be working. So x is equal to 1. 3C1 19 by 20 raised to 1. 1 by 20 raised to 3 minus 1 2. n minus x यहाँ पर n minus x 3 minus 1 2. 3C1 is 3. 3 into 19 divided by 20 raised to 3. 20 raised to 1, 20 raised to 2, 20 raised to 3. Base same power की addition 1 plus 2 is 3. 57 divided by 20 raised to 3. So this is the probability x is equal to 1. Now example number 3. 2 will be working. We have to find probability x is equal to 2. बहुत ही सिंपल एग्जांपल है, सिर्फ इसको एक बार कॉपी करना है, प्रैक्टिस करने की भी जरूरत नहीं, इतना सिंपल टॉपिक है. बिकॉज एवरी एग्जांपल हैविंग सेम प्रोसीजर टू सॉल्व द एग्जांपल. सबका एक ही प्रोसीजर सॉल्व करने का, सिर्फ उतना आइडेंटिफाई करना है व्हाट ही हैज गिवन एंड व्हाट ही हैज आस्क्ड. ही हैज गिवन प्रोबेबिलिटी 95%, n is equal to 3, इतना आइडेंटिफाई करना है. फर्स्ट ऑलवेज डिफाइन x एंड देन व्हाट p. नाउ 3C2 19 by 20 raised to 2. 19 by 20 raised to 3 minus 2 is 1. 3C2 means 3C1. 19 square divided by 20 cube. 3 into 90 square 20 cube. So this is example number 3. अब इसको और सिंप्लीफाई करना जरूरी नहीं है. अगर आप करना ही चाहते हो तो अगर 19 का स्क्वायर करो और उसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करो 3 से, दैट विल बी द फाइनल आंसर. बट यू विल गेट फुल मार्क्स, फुल क्रेडिट फॉर दिस आंसर आल्सो इन द बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. सो डोंट वरी. सो दिस इज अ प्रोबेबिलिटी x is equal to. Now example number 4, we have to find probability x is equal to 3. All 3 floppy disks are working. 90 by 20 raised to 3, 1 by 20 raised to 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 3C3 is 1. 1 into 90 raised to 20 cube into 1. So answer is 90 by 20 whole cube for probability x is equal to 3. So this is the answer. So answer of example number 9 is over, completed. Very simple. Sub example same तरीके के. We'll take example number 10. So copy it. You will write the solution and try the example number 10 now. Okay. I will give the solution of example number 10. So let us see the example number 10. So first of all read the example twice. 2 बार उसको रीड करना है और साइड में गिवन लिखना है, what he has given. Find the probability of throwing at most 2 successes. At most 2 successes in 6 throws. 6 throws, that is n is equal to 6. Of a single die. Of a single die means what? एक ही die throw करना है. So n is equal to 6 फाइंड करना है. हमें probability फाइंड करना है. So number of successes कितने होते हैं? 6 die में एक ही होता है. So 1 by 6 is the probability of number of successes. So it is not given, but it is obvious thing because this is a renowned experiment, renowned random experiment. बहुत बार example A experiment हुआ है. So we know that there are only 1 6 in the 6-face cubic dice. 6-face cubic dice. 6-face cubic dice has 1 to 6 numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So उसमें एक बार ही 6 आता है. So that is the probability of number of 6s. Okay, so solution of example number 10. Let x number of 6s when a die is thrown. P, probability of getting 6s. So probability of getting 6s is what? 1 by 6. एक बार ही 6 है, 1 2 3 4 5 6, तो एक बार ही 6 है वहां पर, so उसकी probability 1 by 6 रहेगी, because number of sample space कितना है? 6 ही है when a die is thrown. तो प्रैक्टिकली ये एग्जांपल प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सॉल्व नहीं हो सकता. इट इज वेरी लेंथी बिकॉज वी हैव टू थ्रो 6 टाइम्स और 6 बार थ्रो करना है. सो यू डोंट इमेजिन दैट व्हाट अबाउट द 6, एक बार थ्रो है तो 6 है, 2 बार थ्रो है तो 6 स्क्वायर है, 3 बार स्क्वायर थ्रो किए तो 6 क्यूब आएगा. अगर 6 टाइम्स थ्रो करना है डाइस तो 6 रेज़ टू 6 आएगा. दैट बिकम्स अ वेरी वेरी लेंथी सैंपल स्पेस. So P is equal to 1 by 6. So Q is equal to 1 minus P. 1 minus 1 by 6. It's a 5 by 6. So this is the value of Q. So now N is equal to how much? 6 बार थ्रो करना है. We have to throw 6 throws. Now X follows binomial distribution with the two parameters n comma p. The value of n is equal to 6, p is equal to 1 by 6. Then the probability mass function of x is, probability mass function of x is, write the formula. Probability x is equal to x ncx into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. हर एग्जाम्पल में यही फॉर्मूले से सब एग्जाम्पल हमने सॉल्व किए. 6cx 1 by 6 raised to x, 5 by 6 raised to n minus x is 6 minus x. So x takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? So now what is the question now? We have to find the probability at most 6 6s in 2 6s in 6 throws of a single die. At most means ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 होना चाहिए, maximum 2. Not more than 2. It means x is less than or equal to 2. So we have to find the probability. Probability what? X is less than or equal to 2. Not more than 2. Less than or equal to, ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 तक ही. So 2 से ऊपर नहीं. So greater less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2 कहाँ से कहाँ तक आता है? So probability x is equal to 0. Plus probability x is equal to 1 plus probability x is equal to, so this is equal to, बस x की जगह पर एक बार 0 रखो, बाद में 1, बाद में 2 रखना है. So it is a 6c 0, 1 by 6 raised to 0, 5 by 6 raised to 6 plus 6c1, 1 by 6 raised to 1, 5 by 6 raised to 5 plus 6c2, 1 by 6 raised to 2, 5 by 6 raised to 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now here 6c0 is 1, 5 raised to 6, 6 raised to 6 plus 6 into 5 raised to 5, 6 raised to 6. 6C2 का meaning 6 into 5, 1 into 2. This is 5 raised to 4, 6 raised to 6. Got it? So this is the procedure. Now यहाँ पर एक 6 कैंसिल होगा, 5 बचेगा. यहाँ पर भी एक 6 कैंसिल होगा, 5. Got it? So 5 raised to 6, 6 raised to 6. 5 raised to 5, 6 raised to 5. 5 raised to 1, 5 raised to 4 is 5 raised to 5. 2 into 6 raised to 5. 2 into 6 raised to 5. Now here taking 5 raised to 5 and 6 raised to 5 common. 5 by 6 raised to 5 by 6 raised to 5 common. In bracket 5 by 6 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. Plus 1 by 2. This is a part of calculation. So it's a 5 by 6 raised to 5. In bracket 6 is the LCM, 5 plus 6 plus 3. 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 3 14. So 14 by 6 into 5 by 6 raised to 5. So 14 को 7 by 3 कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर, 7 by 3 into 5 by 6 raised to 5. This is the answer when probability getting at most 2 successes. Probability of throwing at most 2 successes when a 6th throw of a single die. So this is a calculation. Check it and copy it. Okay, so this is the solution of example number 10. So in example number 10, what is important here? Probability of getting number of sixes. So probability of getting number of sixes is 1 by 6. Q is 5 by 6. So 6 बार throw किया तो n is equal to 6 and we have to find the probability at most 2 successes. At most 2 means less than or equal to 2. Is it clear? So this is the solution of example number 10. Now example number 11. See now example number 11. Read first example number 11. It is known that 10% of a certain articles manufactured are defective. It means what? He has given the defective articles. The probability of defective articles which is 10%. So 10% means 10 by 100, that is the value of P. एक बार एक लाइन में क्या what he has given वो चेक करना, वो बाजू में कॉपी करना. What is the probability that in a random sample of 12? So sample कितने defect article का है? 12 का है. So n is equal to 12, P is equal to 10%. Such article 9 are defective. So 9 are defective means what? We have to find the exactly 9 defective articles. Means x is equal to 9. So देखो पूरा पिक्चर क्लियर होना चाहिए. What he has given and क्वेश्चन क्या है, p की वैल्यू क्या है, n की वैल्यू क्या है, and what we have to find the x. X is exactly equal to 9. So start करो solution, you will get the accurate solution. So first of all write the x. X is a random variable. Solution of example number 11. X. What x? Number of defective articles. Probability of getting defective articles. So given P is equal to 10%, P is equal to 10 by 100, P is equal to 1 by 10. This is the value of P. Okay. Now we have to find the Q. So Q is nothing but 1 minus P. 1 minus p, 1 minus 1 by 10, 9 by 10. This is the value of q. P is 1 by 10, q is 9 by 10. Now x follows binomial distribution with the two parameters n comma p. So x follows b. N is what? N is what? How much? 12. So right here n is equal to 12. P is 1 by 10. Then the probability mass function of x is, बहुत सिंपल टॉपिक है, प्रोबेबिलिटी x इज इक्वल टू x NCx into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. So NCx, so what is given n is 12. 12Cx 1 by 10 raised to x 9 by 10 raised to n minus 6. X takes the value 0, 1, 2 up to 12. डिफेक्टिव तो ऑल भी आ सकते हैं. सो 12 डिफेक्टिव अभी हमें फाइंड करना है एग्जैक्टली 9 डिफेक्टिव. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड x इज इक्वल टू 9 डिफेक्टिव आर्टिकल्स. x is equal to 9, 12C9 1 by 10 raised to 9, 9 by 10 raised to 3. सिर्फ x की जगह पर 9 रखा है. p is known 1 by 10, q is known 9 by 10, n is known that is 12. 12C9 1 by 10 raised to 9, 9 by 10 raised to 12 minus 9 is how much? 3. So इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. NCR का फॉर्मूला दैट इज 12 minus 9 is what? 3 into 9 raised to 3 divided by 10 raised to 12. 9 plus 3 12. 10 raised to 9, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 12. अब 12C3 है तो इसको 12 को 3 बार डिक्रीज करो. 12 11 10 1 2 3. ये डॉट, दिस इज नॉट डेसिमल, इट इज अ मल्टीप्लीकेशन. 12 into 11 into 10 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. So this is a 9 cube divided by 10 raised to 12. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Right? This 1 10 and here 10 getting cancelled. Here is 11. 11 2s are 22. 22 into 9 raised to 3 divided by 10 raised to 11. This is a probability of exact 9 defective articles. So this is a solution of example number 11. So ज़्यादा कुछ एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं. हर एग्जाम्पल में सिर्फ कंटेंट डिफरेंट है, सोल्यूशन एब्सोल्युटली सेम है. यूनिट यहाँ पर फ्लॉपी डिस्क का कुछ ये था, वर्किंग का प्रोबेबिलिटी था, वर्किंग नॉट वर्किंग, वर्किंग 95% है. इस एग्जाम्पल में डाइस का एग्जाम्पल था, नंबर ऑफ सक्सेस था. वी हैव टू फाइंड द एटमोस्ट 2 सक्सेसेस. दिस एग्जाम्पल कंटेन्स सम डिफेक्टिव आर्टिकल्स. 10% defective articles, 12 samples. 10% means p is equal to 10%. 12 samples, n is equal to 12, and we have to find the 9 defective articles. So n is equal to what? X is equal to what? 9. So सिर्फ कंटेंट स्टोरी डिफरेंट है, बाकी सब की थ्योरी अब ये सॉल्यूशन एब्सोल्युटली सेम प्रोसीजर है. ओके, सो दिस इज एग्जांपल नंबर 9, 12, 10 एंड 12. 9, 10, 11. सो विल टेक इन नाउ एग्जांपल नंबर 12. अब इसके बाद 12 नंबर एग्जांपल देखेंगे. Let us see the example number 12 now. In example number 12, we have to find expected value variance, standard deviation. So here we have to accept some formula without proof in the binomial distribution. That is the expected value of x, expected value of x, variance of x, and standard deviation of x. So these are some concept of binomial distribution. ये सेम उस previous topic में भी हुआ है, expected value, variance and standard deviation. So expected value is denoted by e of x, which is formula is NP. Variance of x is NPQ. बहुत ही simple formula. N into P is expected value. We know N is number of trials, P is the probability of success, Q is probability of failure. So variance of x is nothing but it is the product of N into P into Q, NPQ. Standard deviation SD of x, which is square root of variance of x. So it is the square root of NPQ. So this is the formula for expected value, variance and standard deviation of x. We have to consider this without proof. एक formula है. So copied these three formula: expected value of x, ex, vx and standard deviation of x. So all example number 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 example on this three formula. It is only just a calculation formula. सिर्फ calculate करना है, multiply, divide करना है. So let us see the example number 12 now. We will take the solution. So in example number first of 12, what he has given first of all write given. ये देख ने 2 मार्क लिया थे. n is equal to 10 है और p कितना है, p is equal to 0.4 है. So 0.4 है. So इस p को हम 4/10 लिख सकते हैं. So p is equal to 2/5. So find out q. Q is equal to 1 minus p. 1 minus 2/5. So therefore q is equal to 3/5. This is the value of q. n, p, q यही 3 टर्म इंपॉर्टेंट है. डेसिमल भी रखा, दिस फॉर्म में रखा तो भी चलेगा, उसको फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में लिखो नहीं तो कोई भी चलेगा, आंसर सेम ही आएगा. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू. सो राइट डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला इट इज n into p. So n is 10, p is 2/5. 5. So what is answer? 4. Expected value of x is 4. 2 into 2, 4. 0.4 means 4/10. 4/10 को हम 2/5 भी कर सकते हैं. ये 3/5 होगा. NP 10 into 2/5. 5 2 जा 10. 2 into 2 4. Now variance of x, इसके बाद variance simultaneously करेंगे. Variance of x NPQ. So n is 10. 2/5. 3/5. 5 2 जा 2 into 2 4. 4 into 3 12/5. This is the value of variance. 2 है आंसर 12/5. ओके. सो 1 मार्क का ये दूसरे मार्क है. 2 मार्क के लिए अगर एक बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का एग्जांपल अगर 5 मार्क के लिए अगर 3+2 कॉम्बिनेशन आएगा तो एक एग्जांपल ऐसा रहेगा और दूसरा एग्जांपल 3 मार्क का वो वर्ड बेस्ड एग्जांपल रहेगा. ओके. सो लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट number 2, second example. In second example he has given, first of all write given p is equal to 0.6. 0.6 means 6/10. 6/10 means 3/5. 3/5. Expected value of x, ex is equal to 6. Ex means np. Np is equal to 6. N, p is 3/5. 3/5 is equal to 6. So 6 into 5 divided by 3. ये 3/5 राइट साइड में रेसिप्रोकल 5/3. 3 2. n की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई 10. So n is getting, n is equal to 10. Expected value of x is given, that is ex is 6. Actually ex is what? np. np is equal to 6. p वहां पर रिप्लेस किया 3/5. 3/5 राइट साइड में 5/3 बन जाएगा. 6 into 5/3 कैलकुलेशन करो, n की वैल्यू 10 मिल जाएंगे. अब हमें फाइंड करना है. सो इस p से हम q फाइंड करेंगे साइमल्टेनियसली. ऐसा करो q फाइंड करो. Q is equal to 1 minus P, 1 minus 3 by 5, it's a 2 by 5. 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 10. 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 10. So same question है. Now we have to find variance. Variance of x is equal to NPQ. 10 into 3 by 5 into 2 by 5. It's 12 by 5. Variance of x. 12 by 5. So this is the solution of example number 2. Is it clear? Now we'll take example number 3 and 4. ये आप भी कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी इसमें लॉजिक नहीं है, सिर्फ ये तो 7-8 स्टैंडर्ड के एग्जाम्पल है. 2 things are given, third thing that we have to find. इतने सेम एग्जाम्पल है. Okay, let us see the example number 3 of the same. In example number 3, he has given n is equal to 25. So given n is equal to 25, expected value is 10, ex is equal to 10, np is equal to 10, 25 into p is equal to 10, p is equal to 10 by 25, so p is equal to 2 by 5. 25 डिवाइड किया, 10 by 25, 2 by 5 आ गया, 5 2 जा 5 5 जा, नो p is equal to 2 by 5. अब हमें P तो फाइंड हो गया, हमें ESD निकालना है. सो P से Q फाइंड करेंगे. Q इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस P, 1 माइनस 2 by 5. सो Q इज इक्वल टू 3 by 5. स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ NPQ. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ फॉर 25, 3, 2 by 5. 3 by 5. 5 5 are 25. Square root of 6. ये उसका आंसर. ESD of x. Standard deviation is nothing but it is a positive square root of variance of x. So इसमें NPQ उसका फॉर्मूला, n की वैल्यू 25 है, p की वैल्यू 2 by 5 है, q की वैल्यू 3 by 5 है. So simple calculation. Okay, so we'll take example number 4. So this is the last example of this exercise. टोटल 12 एग्जाम्पल है. मैंने स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1st से 12 तक पूरे की पूरे एग्जाम्पल मैंने सॉल्व करके दिए हैं. सिर्फ आपको एक बार उसको सॉल्व करना है, बाकी रिवीजन भी करने की जरूरत नहीं. इतने सिंपल एग्जाम्पल है. लेट अस सी द एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4. In example number 4, first of all write given n is equal to 10. Ex is equal to 8. Np is equal to 8. 10 into p is equal to 8. P is equal to 8 by 10. So p is equal to 4 by 5. कितनी आ गई p की वैल्यू? 4 by 5. इसमें कुछ और एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं, हमें वेरिएंस निकालना है सिर्फ. सो p पता है, n पता है. सो अब q फाइंड करेंगे. q इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस p, 1 minus 4 by 5. 1 by 5 is the answer of q. Now variance of x, it is NPQ. 10 into 4 by 5 into 1 by 5. 4 by 5, 1 by 5. 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8, 8 by 5. This is variance of x. 8 by 5. So this is the answer of example number 4. Okay. So this is the completion of all examples. Every example, each and every example of exercise 8.1 from 1 to 12 example completed. So this is the study of binomial distribution, but still there is one exercise remaining, that is a miscellaneous exercise. So we will take some particular, some special, some typical type of example of miscellaneous exercise 8. Okay, in the next video lecture. So today is sufficient. We'll stop here. Thank you very much.